Hello and welcome to IS Oxford Tutorials. In this tutorial I will be covering how to correct your keywords globally. These instructions are all taken from our flagship programme, forming part of the May Challenge. So if you're looking at this, please do consider the flagship programme. Not only will this award your site with flagship status, and yes, there is a badge of honour you can proudly display, but personally it'll give you not only a small challenge, but on completion, a discount to use with us for future retraining. So why are keywords so important? Well, they provide a simple, accessible way for your OPAC users to find the correct record. As part of cataloguing, you leave behind searchable data, and providing these keywords as a searchable field ensures they can easily be found when users search for that exact word. Here is the keyword field, found on the other tab of a catalogue record. You can create a new line here, type in the keyword you need, or click on the drop-down box to see the contents of your keywords file. Now, this is an authority file. It means if they're displayed here, you have at least one catalogue record with that word within it. Over time, you'll find all sorts of issues creep into this keywords field. Perhaps you're a site that's merged or inherited data. You may have imported data. Lots of member of staff over the years will have catalogued using different words and different styles. So it's all too common to find ways very easily you can improve the contents of this box. Now, Tom's top tip here, and it's not necessary, but when working with any index, I like to ensure it's rebuilt. So what I'll do is click on the configure and the rebuild option. And as I say, it's not strictly necessary to do this, but as I'll be doing some work on this today, I want to visit every catalogue record, rebuild that index, and ensure the list I see is bang up to date. And there we go, that's complete. Just press OK. Keywords are often overlooked during housekeeping. People may feel they would have to open every single catalogue record to correct that text in this field. But we provide a utility to help you very quickly and easily and globally correct, merge and delete words found in here. Before you start, I'd recommend running a report. This is going to help you understand not only which keywords have been entered in your catalogue records, but how often they've been used. You may even decide, if you're short on time, to simply go through the report, find the words that affect the most number of records and make changes to those. You could even allocate pages of this report for your staff to work through, all having their own set pages to complete. To find the report, we just need to close out of our catalogue record, drop back to our main menu, and then go into the Reports menu, Reports Manager, and I'm going to make this easy. I'm just going to search for the one report I need. Now this has the report ID CS*018. Once we have the report, all we need to do is double click on that and select Run in Foreground, and this will now run a report. As you skim through your report, you'll quickly see all your keywords and think of ways that you could actually improve them. You're going to find spelling mistakes, words you can merge together, or words that you could simply delete. Now, in this example, I'm going to be correcting a number of keywords. I've already identified from this report which words I'm going to use, so it's back to my main menu, and then into the Management menu, Indexes menu, and Modify Authority File. In this example, here is one I've prepared earlier, and I do enjoy saying that, but you will need to click on the New button and select the Keywords Authority File. Now, this form might look a little familiar to those that have done any form of global changing, global deleting, or even used our reports wizard. We get a match, search text, and replace text set of boxes. What I've done is chosen the match to get an exact match, and then from the search text, simply selected the word in my index, and in the replace text, enter the word I want to change this into. Now, with any global process, we recommend this is the time to check your backups. If you're hosted, don't worry, we've got this one covered for you, but if you're not, it's a good thing to remember your own local IT support will be responsible for this. If you've used our help sheets or had training with us, we recommend learning new things using the test data. But in this utility, we make it even easier for you. We give the ability to test run your results, and if you're happy, you're going to get no nasty surprises when you click the process button. So clicking on this test run button will show us what will be changed as part of our selection. So we can see here in the match column and the search text and the replace text how many it's found and how many records would then get updated. We can see here at the bottom, test run, no changes have been saved. So if we had made any mistakes, we've made any typos, we can just correct them before testing again. But I'm happy with my results there, so I'm just going to press process. And there we go. That has now changed. Just going to clear that, and that will take us back to an empty form. You can use this utility as often as you like to chip away and help tidy your keywords. Remember, I mentioned this was part of our flagship challenge. It's also discussed in Help Sheet HM45, and I've put links to those below. Thanks for watching, and do remember, like and subscribe to keep informed of our future tutorials. And any questions, email me using support@isoxford.com or entering your questions below in the comments and I'll come back to you.